Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can move a WordPress website from a local server to an online server. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please click on the like button below and you can subscribe to support our channel. So as you can see, I'm currently on my localhost and this is the website tutorial. So there are several ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you the easiest, which involves using a plugin. So the name of the plugin we're going to be using is called Duplicator. So you can install Duplicator by coming to your plugins tab here, click on plugins, add new. Okay, then you come to search and you type in Duplicator. As you can see, I already have this active installed. So once you activate this, you come down over here because you get this tab here. So you come over here, then you click on packages. Then when you're here, you can see I already had one package generated, but I'm just going to walk you through on how you can create another one. So you click this create new over here. So it's going to ask you a few it's going to give you a few options. So this, you don't need to touch anything here, you can just leave this name. Also, this is just a convention, takes the year, the month and the day, so you can easily track your packages. So you click on next, and in the next page what it does, it scans your site and compiles your databases and your files together. So this takes a while, so I'm going to pause the video until this is over. Okay, as you can see, it has completely compressed everything into this size. So our files in total is 273 MB and our database 1.88 MB. So you have to click on yes to continue with the build process, then you click on build. So again, this build process takes a while, depends on the size of your website. So I'm going to pause the video. So as you guys can see, it has completely built the package. So you get two files, your installer and your archive. You have to download these two files, so you can just click on this one click download to download them both at the same time. So click on this and just click allow here. So once you have those two parts of the packages downloaded on your system, like I do over here, the installer and the zip file, all you need to do is you need to upload these two files to the root directory of your domain name. Okay, there are a few ways you can do this. You can use SSH, you can use FTP, or you can just use the default file manager like this one here over at your host. So I'm just going to go down here. As you can see, this is domain. So I already had this uploaded here, so you can do this using the file manager by clicking this upload here and by dragging and dropping the files here, or you could use an FTP client. I'm using FileZilla for this because this is more efficient. If you'd like to learn how to connect to your server via FileZilla, there's a video linked over here. So all I did was I dragged these two packages over here and I pasted them over here. So I have them here. So once you have this uploaded on your server, if you can notice, this is called the installer.php. So you go to your browser and you type in your domain name, in our case this, then you put your slash, then you type in installer.php. okay, so that's just the standard there. Then it's going to give you something similar to the page when you were trying to compress everything. So you have your setup here, your validation. Don't worry about all this, just click on accept and click next. So it takes a while. It's going to extract the archive, so all your files are going to be unzipped, and it's going to install your database. So I'm going to pause the video until this is over. Okay guys, as you can see, this has completed its archiving. So what we need here now is a database. So we need to create a database for our website on our from our cPanel. So we go to our cPanel homepage and we scroll down to database. Okay, my SQL database, this one over here. So you click on this and you type in a name for database. So we're just going to call this tutorial. So it's going to be ASIC FHAF underscore tutorial. So I'll click on create here. So we have this tutorial. So I'm just going to copy this name here. Copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Now we need to create a user and a password for this database. So to do that, we'll go back to that same page and we'll scroll down, and as you can see, you have MySQL users, add a new user. So we'll also call the user tutorial and we'll just give it a random password. Let's say 08102525510. 08102525510. Okay, so you click on create user. So since this user is the same, we're just going to copy this and we're going to paste this here. So what's left is the password here. I'm just going to type this in. Now this user has not been added to this database, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. So you only created the user, you've not added it to the database. So go back and there's a tab for that. Okay, add a user to database. So the name of our user is tutorial and we want to add it to our tutorial database. So click on add here. So it's very simple and that's it. Just click on all privileges and make changes. Okay, so that's about it for this section here. You can still check all these options if there's something you want to change, but this is a bit advanced. So before we click on next, we're going to test database if it's working. So okay, as you can see, it's working. It passed the requirements and there are no errors. So you click on next and you click on OK. We don't really need this, so I'm not going to save this. So here you're just going to type in the name of your site. So remember, it was tutorial, and this is the domain name, and this is the path. You don't need to do anything over here. You can do some other things like create a new admin account for your website. So let's just say this. Let's create a new account. It's admin, and let's say the password is 08102525510 at. Then you can put a password, an email here. Then you can leave this empty if you like. So I'm just going to leave this empty. So I'll click on next. Okay, so as you can see, this should already work. So let's just go to our homepage and see. So we'll go to the main domain and see if that worked. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, we've successfully migrated this site from a local server to the live server. So this plugin is really good for this. You can use this plugin duplicator, just the normal one, not even the pro version, to move your site from one location to another, whether it's local or whether it's live. So if you found this video very helpful, you can like the video below, and you can also subscribe to support this channel because we will be creating more videos like this. So thank you.